Base requirements for pillars, grill islands, and landscape features. The base requirements for pillars, grill islands, and other landscape features are very similar to the base required for a wall, but there are a few special things that can be done to maintain the structural and aesthetic longevity of an installation. Pillars are typically taller than landscape walls. Therefore, excavation needs to be deeper to ensure that the base of the pillar is embedded a minimum of 12 to 18 inches below the final grade. The excavation should be also wider than the pillar itself by a minimum of 6 inches on all sides. This deeper embedment will prevent the pillar from tipping. The pillar should be constructed on a precast or poured concrete leveling pad which rests on 6 inches of compacted gravel. The same excavation practices, type of gravel, and compaction method used for walls can be applied to pillars. Once the gravel is compacted, level precast slabs or pour a 4-inch thick concrete slab to accommodate the size of the pillar. This pad must be 100% level, otherwise your landscape feature will not end up vertical. Larger and heavier landscape features such as grill islands should be built on thicker base pads supported on concrete columns that extend below the frost line. Use 2x6 lumber to form the pads for these features. Ensure that the forms are perfectly level and positioned at the correct height prior to forming. Position tubular foundation columns 4 to 6 feet apart, ensuring that the majority of the feature will be supported over these columns. Using rebar or wire mesh will help strengthen the slab and will make the columns integral to the slab. Pour, screed, or trowel the concrete as you would for the walls. Once the concrete is cured, you can begin constructing your landscape feature by positioning and placing your first row of wall units. This completes our series of instructional videos for landscape, wall base, and block leveling options. For more Unilock instructional videos, visit unilock.com.